Looking to elevate your selfie game? Look no further than Facetune. In this video, we'll dive into what Facetune is all about and how it can transform your photos with just a few taps. Let's get started. Facetune is a mobile photo editing application developed by Lightricks, designed to give you the power to transform your selfies and portraits like never before. With a wide range of tools and features, Facetune lets you retouch, enhance, and perfect your photos with ease. Smoothing and retouching. Say goodbye to imperfections. With Facetune, you can smooth skin, remove blemishes, and touch up any flaws to achieve a flawless complexion. Whitening teeth and brightening eyes. Want a brighter smile and sparkling eyes? Facetune's got you covered. With just a few taps, you can whiten teeth and enhance eye brightness for a more vibrant look. Reshaping and sculpting. Ever wished you could tweak your facial features? With Facetune, you can. Whether it's slimming the face, refining the nose, or enhancing cheekbones, you have the power to sculpt your look to perfection. Filters and effects. Give your photos that extra wow factor with Facetune's wide range of filters and effects. From subtle enhancements to dramatic transformations, the possibilities are endless. Makeup tools. Want to experiment with makeup without the hassle? Facetune's virtual makeup tools allow you to apply lipstick, eyeliner, blush, and more, giving you a flawless makeup look in seconds. While Facetune offers powerful editing tools, it's important to use them responsibly and maintain authenticity in your photos. Remember, it's perfectly okay to enhance your photos, but don't lose sight of who you are in the process. And there you have it. Facetune is your ultimate photo editing companion, helping you achieve that picture-perfect look every time. So why wait? Download Facetune today and take your selfies to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Have you tried Facetune before? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing.